Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of dream decoding, and we're starting with the number 1. Have you ever seen the number 1 in your dreams and wondered what it meant? Well, let's get into it with 100% accuracy. The number 1 is powerful. It's the first, the primary, the individual. When you see the number 1 in your dream, it represents you. Why? Because everything in your reality begins and originates with you. Think about it. You are the center of your universe. While you might not be the creator of all life, you are absolutely the creator of your life. Our thoughts literally create our reality, and every thought originates with you. Sure, you can get an idea from someone else, but the second you accept it as your own, it becomes your thought, your creation. So when the number 1 appears in your dream, it's a powerful symbol of beginnings, origins, and the initiation of new energy. Remember, dreams happen in our subconscious mind, and the job of the subconscious is to manifest the desires of our conscious mind. The images and numbers we see in our dreams are a direct reflection of the thoughts brewing within our subconscious. They are the very thoughts that are currently shaping and manifesting our future reality in the physical world. Understanding these numbers helps us understand what we are creating. It's like getting a sneak peek into your own creative process. The numbers you see in your waking life on license plates or clocks often represent thoughts you've already had that have now created your current reality. But in dreams, you're seeing the blueprint for what's to come. The number 1 is a sign that a new cycle, a new beginning, is being initiated by you. It's a message about your individuality, your power to create, and the new paths you're forging. It's a reminder that it all starts with you. So next time you see the number 1, recognize it as a powerful confirmation of your own creative energy at work. If you're ready to dive even deeper and get true clarity on any dream you have to check out the Chitta Dream Decoder. It's an incredible tool that will help you unlock the messages from your subconscious. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.